guys, the Minecraft Conrail here, and today I got a new Caboose from Alice. It's called Conrail number 1981-2 NE-6 Caboose from Alice. His iron was 2004-26. Here's pretty much Caboose. Back here is also boogies. Pretty nice. Let's unbox it right now. I have to be gentle. See, right there, this is metal ones. So I have to take it gently. And here it is. This is a Conrail Caboose. Pretty awesome. Let's test it on the way out. Let's go. What do you think about this Caboose? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.